Going back to the warm water that Tiffany and Joe were talking about, I'm not upset if I want some warm Gulf of Mexico water. And I tell you, I say it all the time. I love Lake Ouachita. Growing up was the warmest lake. I knew anytime we went there, it was going to be feeling pretty nice. So I'm one of those that that cold water, I'm not here for it. I guarantee you when I'm in the Gulf next week, I'll feel just fine. I'll be able to cool off even if the temperatures are 80 degrees. Hey, we're looking at some hot air moving in today, settling over 5 country for a couple days. Mini heat wave kicks off today. We're expecting that scorching heat to be around tomorrow. Heat alerts out, been saying it all week, and even last week that I expected the advisories to be out by this morning. Here we go. We've got heat advisories out for northwest Arkansas, back into our eastern and southeastern portions of 5 country for Scott, Logan, Johnson counties into Pope County. Feels like temperatures 105 up to 109. Excessive heat warning. Some of you still asking what's the difference here and there with those 2 advisories. Excessive heat warning means you have a better chance and likelihood of seeing areas where the feels like temperatures 110 plus. I think we're talking 110 up to 113 for a good portion of the River Valley back into Oklahoma. Some patchy fog for some of us this morning, scattered around northwest Arkansas, back into the River Valley, the Ouachitas. We've got a lot of muggy air out there coming in with these south winds from the Gulf of Mexico. And then with all the rainfall we've seen the last several days, last handful of days, just going back to Friday in the River Valley, yeah, there's a lot of moisture in the air, and it can take a toll quickly on your body if you overexert yourself through the day. Upper 60s, low 70s, northwest Arkansas. Not a bad start to the day. A little bit of a breeze out there this morning, trying to mix that air up. We will look for those winds to pick up as we go through the day, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. It's going to be a hot breeze, but at least there's something here, and the air won't be completely stagnant. Again, highs well into the 90s today, mid to some upper 90s, but feeling more like the triple digits. It's all sunshine today. Future Track radar shows that we're quiet, but we're looking to the north later this afternoon into the evening. Storms build across eastern Kansas, Missouri. I've been tracking this for the last few days. Still looks like the brunt of the activity will stay to the east, northeast of us, but we'll be watching the southwestern edge of that kind of dip down into northwest Arkansas. Chief Meteorologist Matt Standards will have the latest this evening, so make sure you tune in with him as those thunderstorms start to develop to the north. We'll get a better idea of exactly which track they're going to go and how close to our area they're going to get. Again, best chance for severe weather, Missouri, Kansas, but we could see a strong storm or 2 back into parts of 5 country overnight into tomorrow morning. We'll look for some of those showers if they can get going to trickle south towards the River Valley tomorrow as well. Again, top weather headlines today. Tomorrow is the dangerous heat building in. We do lower temperatures a little bit as the pattern, the heat shifts a little further out to the west and southwest U.S. going into the weekend, but it does look like that heat's going to try to build back in as we get into the middle part of next week.